Good morning everyone students. Welcome to chemistry class. So in this session we are going to know the new chapter from organic chemistry, that is hydrocarbons. Okay. So that is the name of the chapter is hydrocarbons. So now observe here the chapter name itself says the definition, that is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the class of organic compounds having only hydrogen and carbon is called what? Hydrocarbons. The name of the chapter itself saying that is hydrogen and carbon. The compounds having hydrogen and carbon is called as what? Hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are the class of organic compounds having only hydrogen and carbon is called what? Hydrocarbons. Now these hydrocarbons are mainly classified, are broadly classified into three types. Those three types are, these are mainly classified into three types. Those three types are aliphatic hydrocarbons, hydrocarbons. Then second one, alicyclic hydrocarbons. Then the third one, aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, these are the three classification of hydrocarbons. Now we have to know one by one. First one, aliphatic hydrocarbons. So again, aliphatic hydrocarbons are classified into three types. So aliphatic hydrocarbons are the class of organic compounds, a class of hydrocarbons having only carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-carbon double bond in linear form, not in cyclic form. That we call what? Aliphatic hydrocarbons. Again, these aliphatic hydrocarbons are classified into three types or two types. Those two types are saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons and unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. That is saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons, and the next one again is classified into unsaturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. So here saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons are the class of aliphatic hydrocarbons having only carbon-carbon single bond, Such kind of compounds we call what? Saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. So example for saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons is the best examples alkanes. So where we can find the carbon-carbon single bond. So under that the example for alkanes is methane CH4, then ethane C2H6, then propane and so on. Is the examples for saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. So these examples already we learned in the previous chapter, that is some basic principles and techniques. Okay, similarly unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbon is the second class of aliphatic hydrocarbons. So unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons are the class of aliphatic hydrocarbons having a carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. It's called as what? Unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. So if carbon-carbon double bond is present, then we called what? Alkenes. If carbon-carbon triple bond is present, we called what? Alkynes. So these are the examples. Okay. So that is alkenes is having carbon-carbon double bond, alkynes having carbon-carbon triple bond. So example for these are ethene, that is C2H4. C2H4 is the ethene. Similarly, alkyne, the example ethine, that is C2H2 is the ethine. This is ethene and this is ethine. Okay, these are the examples. Similarly, aliphatic hydrocarbons. These aliphatic hydrocarbons are also classified. Aliphatic hydrocarbons is the class of hydrocarbons and the molecular formula same like aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons, but these are present in cyclic form. Okay, that we call what? Aliphatic hydrocarbons. So example for aliphatic hydrocarbons is cyclopropane. This is the way of representation. Already you know the basic concepts where we are discussing. That is cyclopropane, then cyclobutane and cyclopentane, then cyclohexane. So these are the best examples for what? Alicyclic hydrocarbons. This is cyclopropane. Propane is 3 carbons. Cyclone is in closed form. So then this is cyclobutane, and this is cyclopentane, and this is a cyclohexane. So these are the example for alicyclic hydrocarbons. Similarly, aromatic hydrocarbons is the third class of hydrocarbons. So aromatic hydrocarbons is nothing but a class of hydrocarbons having at least one benzene ring. Such compounds we call what? Aromatic hydrocarbons. So example for aromatic hydrocarbons, the best example is benzene. Okay, C6H6. The molecular formula of benzene is what? C6H6. Okay, that is cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbon that we call aromatic hydrocarbon. Cyclic, that is benzene, is the one example. If you want one more, write benzene, then here CH3, that we call toluene. Okay, similarly, if you want one more example, write benzene, then here NH2, that we call what? Aniline. So similarly, benzene, then here write OH, that we call phenol, a class of aromatic alcohol. So all these are the best examples of what? Aromatic hydrocarbons. Now in this chapter we have to discuss one by one, that is alkanes, alkenes and cycloalkanes, and also some aromatic hydrocarbons, that is benzene only. Here we are discussing. Okay, so this is the introduction and classification of hydrocarbons. Now shall we move to the alkanes? Is the first compound or first main class of hydrocarbon, that is only in aliphatic hydrocarbons. Okay, I thought you understood, students. So shall we move to the alkanes? Now take alkanes. So alkanes are the class of hydrocarbons, that is aliphatic hydrocarbons having only carbon-carbon single bond, is called as what? Alkanes. So alkanes are the class of aliphatic hydrocarbons having only carbon-carbon single bond. Only what? Carbon-carbon single bond, that we call what? Alkanes. So example for alkanes is take methane. So where the molecular formula is